Alright, welcome to my channel. My name is Wayne. This is going to be a short and quick video. This is a true story. When I used to have my 2016 S550, the door frozen shut. And same thing happened about a week ago. Overnight, the door was frozen shut. And when you open up the handle, you can hear the crackling noise. That's how frozen everything was. So how easy it is for me to open this up and just, open the door. But guess what? The big news came when I tried to close the door, and the door wouldn't close. It would just bounce back. It'll just bounce back like it's doing now. So I'm going to show you what I did. Don't want anybody to panic. You don't need to bring your car to the dealership. What I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to remove this piece, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened inside of this. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so I got this piece out. I did a video on this, how you get to your car. You put your emergency key in this, and you basically turn it and twist it. You can get inside the car that way. But let me show you exactly what happened. So you see how that lever is going in and out? Let me go in there. All right, you see how it's going in and out? Well, before, I wasn't able to push it in like that. It just frozen shut. So how do you fix something like this? And it gets even worse when you try to move the car. Since the door is not closing, the car won't move. And one way, I think I did another video, when you change your brakes, this is the electronic parking brake. Push it in, or you push up, and you see that parking symbol that's on your dashboard, that will disappear. Now you can move the car. But you gotta be very careful, because now the car is driving and the door won't close, and now you're driving with a door that can't lock. So what do you do? In a situation like that, when the temperature is very cold, you come inside the car, you close the door as much as you can, and you turn on the heat. And you turn on the heat. And how long do you normally wait? You wait a good maybe 20 minutes, maybe half hour. Turn on the heat all the way to max. Let the interior of the car get hot, and then come back out when we open the door to be able to push it back in. And like I said before, I was able to close the door would bounce back. It wouldn't close at all. But now, like I said, warm up the interior, come out, keep trying to push the handle back in until it goes in, and then you're done. So like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you soon.